Jai students, and welcome back to Social Unplugged. Today is going to be our first lecture of antonyms, right? In the previous three lectures consecutively, we have covered synonyms, right? Where we had discussed the two formats of it as well as covered it really well. Okay, so I hope that you're practicing those also really well. Today we're going to be starting off with antonyms, okay? Antonyms also, we have an idea of what antonyms is because we have been giving vocabulary apart from the normal lectures as well after the three vocabulary words along with the synonyms and antonyms, right? So you have an idea of what antonyms is, right? But how do you approach it in the examination? What are the kind of formats, right? It's quite similar to the ones of the synonyms, right? You have two different formats, but we'll just have a quick glance over that and let's get forward with the questions, okay? All right. Now, what are antonyms? Antonym is a word that is strictly opposite in the meaning given to a word. Okay. Example देख लेते हैं इसका. The word fresh has the antonym of stale. Right? Obviously, if a food is fresh, right, and a food is stale. Stale मतलब खराब हो गया है ना? So stale is completely the opposite of fresh, right? That's how we're going to be doing. Okay. All right. Now, as I discussed, we have two formats, right? Similar to what we had in synonyms, we have two formats here as well. Okay. Direct format, right? Again, in this format, we have a word that is given. Out of the four options, a word needs to be selected, which is the opposite in meaning of the given word. Clear? Which of the given word is, let's see an example. Which of the given word is an opposite to the given meaning? I'm so sorry, let's have this done again. Which of the given word is opposite in meaning to the word provided, right? We have dead here. The dead opposite moving? No, right? Is dead opposite to life? No. Death is a part of life, right? Now, does it mean alive? Yeah, dead actually has an opposite meaning of alive. And the last is disease. Now, this is a synonym, okay? So, there are an antonym, so obviously that's not correct. Okay, let's check. Let's check the explanation. Dead means no longer alive. To find the antonym of dead, we have to consider its opposite meaning. That is not dead or living. Alive means living or not dead. So option C is the correct choice, right? This was too vague of too detailed of an answer, right? But again, for some people who do not understand, this is an answer, but I would not be explaining this for every question moving forward. Okay? Okay. Okay. Now, next. Next is the sentence format. Okay. In this format, again, as we also know, we have a format where a word of a sentence is what? Highlighted, right? Is it probably या तो capital में लिखा होगा या तो underline किया होगा, है ना? In the given four options, a word needs to be selected which is the opposite in meaning to that of the highlighted word. Clear? Example देख लेते हैं. Which of the given word is antonym of the word written in capital letters, right? The word is quickly. Sham ran quickly to catch the bus. Okay? The word is quickly. Now we need to see the opposite. Does it mean weak? No. Does it mean manly? No. Hurriedly? No, definitely not. So opposite of the word would be slowly, right? Clear? Explanation. Considering the given options, antonym quickly is slowly. Hence, option D is the correct answer. Clear? So again, these explanations will not be provided forward. And if you know the meaning, just उसका opposite मतलब ढूंढना है, बस आंसर मार्क करते चले जाना है. ठीक है? चलो अब हो जाते हैं स्टार्ट. इसका जो क्वेश्चन है ये कैसे आएगा? Each of the following items consist of the sentences followed by four words or group of words. Select the antonym of the word occurring in the sentence in capital letters as per the context. Clear? Now, what's the word detain? Detain matlab it's obviously something like, you have captured something or, you've detained him, right? So instead of detain, exactly the opposite of detain would be release. Not to forget, not to silence, not to prosper. Clear? Not to prosper. Now, next, moving forward, we have famous. What's the word? The word is famous. Now, what's the opposite of famous, right? Obviously, someone who's not famous, right? Does boring mean he's not famous? No. Does poor mean he's not famous? No. We have poor people also who are famous, right? Does it mean he's untalented? Definitely not. So the correct option is obscure. Okay. Now, next is colossal. Okay. Now, what does this word mean? The word colossal means something that is, it's a big damage or, great damage, right? So doesn't mean opposite उसका grade कम होगा या तो छोटा है ना, something like that. So is it gonna be easy? No. Is it graceful? No. It doesn't mean something related to a fool? No. So the correct antonym of colossal would be tiny. Clear? Next we have is fluid. Okay. Fluid का मतलब पहले option ही है. Fluid मतलब liquid. Fluid का मतलब something that's solid. So we have the first answer here. So it's solid. Obviously something not liquid, something not decent, something not afraid. Right? It's that simple. Okay. Now let's go ahead. Okay. Now let's go ahead to the next word, which is continue. Now continue obviously means something which is continuing and उसको रोक दिया जाए या तो फिर वो stop होगा या तो pause होगा, है ना? तो कुछ pause, हाँ pause है यहाँ पे, right? Carry नहीं होगा, curve नहीं होगा, argue नहीं होगा. See, clear? Okay. Next we have is labor. Labor means something that you work hard, right? We mentioned, right? We need labor to do the work, right? Labor, right? So does it mean something amuse? उसको opposite amuse होगा? नहीं. Cat होगा? नहीं. Rest होगा because laborers are working hard, right? Laborers work, मतलब उसका मतलब ही working hard होता है. Strive भी नहीं होगा, ठीक है? Next we have is brownie. Okay, now what does brownie basically mean, right? Brownie basically means something that's strong, right? Something that's very strong, right? So obviously इसका मतलब swift नहीं होगा, strong तो ये तो antonym ही हो गया, है ना? Weak, है ना? Pale नहीं होगा, ठीक है? Very similar, very simple, ठीक है? अब आ जाते हैं fickle. Fickle minded person, है ना? Fickle minded person मतलब हर बार confused रहता है, हर बार उसको पता नहीं होता क्या करना है ना? तो fickle minded का हो जाएगा steady. Okay, having a steady mind is correct. Something not to please, something not to kind, something not to pinch. Clear? Now next is inept. What is it? Inept. Inept का क्या मतलब होता है? Something that कुछ knowledge नहीं होना. He's मतलब basically kind of a person who has zero knowledge of something, right? So does it mean he's clumsy? No. Does it mean he's info? No. Does the opposite mean clumsy? No. Does the opposite mean info? Does the opposite mean foolish? No. The opposite means competent. Okay, that's the word. Okay. Next we have is pivotal. Now what does pivotal mean? Something that this is really important for this, so that's when you use pivotal, right? So something that's not important, right? So unimportant is the correct answer, right? Turning nahi hoga, wavy nahi hoga, clear nahi hoga. Clear? Quite easy, quite simple to understand. Now next we have is the word cursed. What does the word cursed mean? Cursed means usually मतलब श्राप पड़ा है ना? cursed बोलते हैं उसको. तो या तो अनलकी यार, बेचारा भगवान ने कर्स किया होगा तो हम क्या कर सकते हैं, है ना? सो बेसिकली ऑपोजिट क्या होगा? लकी, है ना? नॉट दिस, नॉट सो, नॉट अनफॉर्चुनेट. ओके, क्लियर? नाउ नेक्स्ट इज कैंडिड. कैंडिड फोटोज खींचते हैं ना? क्यों खींचते हैं? बिकॉज दोस फोटोज आर नेचुरल. नेचुरल मतलब समथिंग दैट्स ऑनेस्ट, है ना? सो ऑब्वियसली इसका ऑपोजिट क्या होगा? समथिंग दैट्स अननेचुरल, समथिंग दैट you're faking it, है ना? So dishonest is the correct answer. Blunt नहीं होगा, unkind नहीं होगा, valid नहीं होगा, ठीक है? Okay. Next we have is flaunt. Flaunt, like we heard about something like brag, है ना? Flaunt is something to show, है ना? Flaunting, right? Doesn't mean उसका opposite क्या होगा? रिगार्ड्स का होगा? नहीं, flaunt मतलब छुपाना ही होगा ना? तो we have hide here, है ना? Sink नहीं होगा, purpose भी नहीं होगा. Very very simple. Clear? Now next we have is heal. Heal का मतलब और दूसरा क्या होगा कि probably something जख्मी करना basically, है ना? So does it mean to sue? No. Does it mean to foot? No. Good नहीं. Maim. Okay, that's the correct answer. Now next is the word pacify. Pacify कब करते हैं हम लोग को? जब काम रन करते हैं. All alone बच्चा, pacifying the child, है ना? All alone मेरा बच्चा, छोटा बच्चा, है ना? Pacify करते हैं. So हम उसको शांत कर रहे होते हैं बेसिकली, ठीक है? उसका ऑपोजिट क्या होगा? उसको उत्साहना, खुश कराना, एक्साइट कराना, है ना? सो दैट्स द वर्ड. कोडल नहीं होगा, अनहैंड नहीं होगा, लैंड भी नहीं होगा. क्लियर? वेरी सिंपल. ओके, नाउ सिंस वी हैव कंप्लीटेड 15 वर्ड्स, नाउ इट्स टाइम फॉर वर्ड्स टू लर्न, ठीक है? अब आ जाते हैं वर्स्ट लर्न पे। वर्स्ट लर्न में हमारा पहला वर्ड क्या है? फेलिसिटी। ओके, फेलिसिटी इसका मतलब क्या है? द एबिलिटी टू फाइंड अप्रोप्रिएट एक्सप्रेशंस फॉर one's thoughts, है ना? द एबिलिटी टू फाइंड व्हाट? अप्रोप्रिएट एक्सप्रेशन फॉर one's thoughts, है ना? सिनोनिम्स क्या है? ब्लिस, डिलाइट, eloquence, and antonyms क्या है? sorrow and unhappiness. Clear? Okay, moving ahead to the second word. Second word we have is fester. Now इसका मतलब क्या है? Of a problem or negative feeling become worse or more intense, especially through long-term neglect or indifference. Right? Synonyms क्या है इसके? Smolder and aggravate. Antonyms क्या है इसके? Flourish and grow. Clear? Okay. Now to the last word we have is fetid. Right? इसका क्या मतलब होता है? Smelling extremely bad or foul, एकदम गंदा, है ना? Synonyms क्या है इसके? Smelly, putrid, right? Antonyms क्या है इसके? Aromatic and perfumed. Clear? Perfect. All right. So with that हमारा antonyms का जो पहला लेक्चर है वो भी ख़त्म होता है, ठीक है? इस लेक्चर का मेरा मतलब ज़्यादा फोकस ये नहीं था कि आपको क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कराऊं, मेरा ये फोकस था कि आपको कैसे क्वेश्चंस अप्रोच करने चाहिए वो सिखाऊं, ठीक है? आपको पहली बात तो बस देखना है कि यार अगर आपको शब्द सीधा आता है तो स्ट्रेट अवे ऑपोजिट कर लो, ठीक है? ऑप्शंस में से अगर कोई शब्द आपको नहीं आता इट्स ओके। अगर जो ऊपर वाला वर्ड है उसको आता है, आई शो इट यू, लेट मी गिव एन एग्जांपल, राइट? जस्ट गिव मी अ मिनट। जैसे यू नो द वर्ड हील हियर, राइट? हील का मतलब पता है ना? यू आर किसी चीज़ से मतलब मरहम पट्टी लगा के जो आप ठीक हो जाते हो, है ना? ठीक होना बेसिकली हील है ना? सो डज इट स्यू, मतलब स्यू मतलब वो वाला नहीं, मतलब भी नहीं बनता, ऑपोजिट का है ही नहीं वो। फुट नहीं है, गुड नहीं है, तो क्या ही होगा ये, ठीक है? दिस इज एलिमिनेशन मेथड, ठीक है? ये एक मेथड है वेर यू एलिमिनेट द वंस दैट आर नॉट एन ऑप्शन एंड देन चूज द वंस। इफ इन केस यू डू नॉट नो इट, दैट्स व्हेन यू यूज दिस। अगर आपको आता है तो मेम का मतलब अगर पता है, स्ट्रेट अवे विदाउट इवन लुकिंग एट द अदर्स यू स्ट्रेट अवे गो एंड मार्क मेम, ठीक है? क्लियर? सो मेनली योर फोकस शुड बी इंक्रीजिंग वोकैबुलरी बट द अप्रोच इज एक्सप्लेन्ड, ठीक है? तो अगर आपको कुछ शब्द बाई चांस नहीं भी आते तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं, यू विल स्टिल बी एबल टू हैंडल इट कॉन्फिडेंटली, ठीक है? सो स्टूडेंट्स विद दैट वी एंड टुडेज लेक्चर। ओके, आई होप आपको एंटोनिम्स थोड़े समझ में आ गए। कोई भी कहीं पे भी डाउट्स मेक श्योर आप डाउट नीचे कमेंट सेक्शन में छोड़ रहे हो ताकि मैं उसको डाउट सेशन में आंसर कर दूं, ठीक है? सो अंटिल देन स्टूडेंट्स स्टे कनेक्टेड, स्टे फोकस्ड। मिलता हूं आपको अगली क्लास में। अंटिल देन जय हिंद।